In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $125 using Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm gonna share with you guys which services I was promoting on Pinterest to earn this commission, and I will show you step by step how you can sign up to Fiverr affiliate program so you can start making money as a beginner. So let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first guys is you just need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to scroll down like this and go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, it will take you to this page over here, as you can see, to Fiverr affiliate website, and it's really easy and simple. So what you need to do, so first let me show you commission plan so you can get idea about how much you will earn, because they are really paying a lot of money for each service you will promote. Okay, so let me show you. If you click over here on see commission, you will be directly in this commission plan page. Okay, scroll down, and as you can see over here, you can earn up to $150. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, it's really easy and simple. Go back to your home page, click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, the sign up process is really easy and simple guys. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. You will answer few questions over here. Scroll down, choose your country and choose your language over here. Then if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. So now I'm gonna share with you which service I was promoting on Pinterest to earn $125 just in one single day. Okay, click on the search for Christmas card. Okay, because a lot of people are searching for this Christmas card, how to make Christmas card for this new year, and that's why you should start promoting this service as an affiliate on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it. Search for Christmas card, scroll down, you can see over here that there are a lot of sellers here providing this service. So what you need to do is you just need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has good reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and even those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so let me see. I will design and draw illustrated Christmas card. Okay, let me see some good. This one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is good. Level 2 seller. I will design your Christmas holiday card. Click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next, copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here on marketing tools, then click on default and dip links. Okay, click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to promote this link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Okay, let me show you. Search for Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page over here, and you need to upload a picture about this service that you will promote. Go back to this seller page, scroll down, and you need to upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, double click, save. Okay, I'm gonna click on save image like this. I'm gonna name it cards, for example. Save and go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, this is my picture about my Christmas card service. Open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like that to your Pinterest account. What you will do next, you will put here title, go back to this seller page and copy his title like this. Then go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Just go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part. Let's go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Okay, so what you will do next, you will choose a board. Click over here and choose a board. If you are new, you will click over here and create a board. Okay, and you just need to give it a name. It's really easy and simple, and you can create as many as you want. You can create a lot of boards. Okay, so I already created those. I'm gonna choose this one for Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down. What you need to do next, you need to put here tags. Okay, go back to this seller page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, so just keep scrolling down. You should see over here related tags. Okay, so copy those keywords that you should use on your Pinterest tags. Okay, so people can find this service on Pinterest. Okay, copy this one. Make sure to copy all those keywords. Okay, you should use those keywords so people can find your service on Pinterest. Okay, Christmas. I'm gonna copy this one, last one. Copy. Put this keyword here. What you will do next, click over here on publish. Okay, and here you go. And as you can see, my Fiverr affiliate service was published on Pinterest. Okay, it's really easy and simple, guys. You just need to give it a try, and you need to promote a lot of services so your chance to get commission will be high. You don't need to promote just one service. You should promote a lot of services, and if you have a new Pinterest account, make sure to post just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day. Okay, don't post too much because your account will be banned. Okay, so make sure to post just like 3 to 5 affiliate links on Pinterest per day. Okay, and as you can see, my affiliate link will be published like this. This is my picture, this is my title, description, and this is my affiliate link over here. Okay, that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and I'm gonna answer all your question, and you should choose this service because this service is really trending now. A lot of people are searching for how to make Christmas card, and you know New Year is really so close, so you should start promoting this service right now. Okay, see you in my next video.